Hi guys, my name's Claire and welcome to my lockdown session. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Scottish biscuit called shortbread.
All you're going to need is 180 grams of plain flour, 55 grams of caster sugar, and 125 grams of butter. Start by weighing out your flour. Then sieve the flour into the bowl. Do the same with your caster sugar and butter and add them to the bowl with the flour. Now use your hands to combine the ingredients until the mixture looks like breadcrumbs. Then squeeze until it comes together as a dough.
Okay, for this next part you'll need a rolling pin, but if you don't have one like me, improvise.
Sprinkle flour onto a clean surface. Roll out your dough using a rolling pin, or if you don't have one like me, a roll of tin foil. Now begin to square off the dough and make sure it is a height of around 1 to 2 centimetres. Cut it into rectangle blocks and place on a baking tray. Use a fork to create imprints, then sprinkle with the remaining caster sugar. Place the dough in the fridge for 20 minutes to allow to chill. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees. After the 20 minutes is up, place the dough in the oven. Lastly, set your timer for 15 minutes or until the dough is golden brown. Once the time is up, retrieve your dough from the oven and allow time to cool. If you're feeling confident, why not try some with chocolate chips?
And that's it! So all you need to do now is get yourself a wee cup of tea and help yourself. Hope to see you in Scotland very soon.